In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video based on a long text article. For example, I picked this article from Brevo. As you can see, it's explaining how to create an automation inside Brevo. By the way, Brevo is if you don't know, is an automation platform for email automation, CRM, and everything. It's a nice app. I'm using it myself. But as you can see, this article here is pretty long, and precisely it's 605 words, which is a lot to digest. And we will use Clevera to basically create a video version of this article. Okay, let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open Clevera app, new recording, and choose a display. Now, before we start, here is the idea. You are going to create an automation inside Brevo while you're recording your everything with Clevera app. So the rest is going to be done automatically by Clevera, adding narration, voices, and everything. You'll see. Okay, I'm going to choose display here, and let's see. Okay, you're ready. Okay, let's switch to Brevo app, and now you can just create your automation. By the way, you don't have to talk or anything here. You can do this entire process silently, and because the narration and all those voices and everything, even the video editing and everything will be done by Clevera automatically. So create automation. Okay, I'm going to add this. Choose a folder. Okay. Finally, we will add an action. Choose these templates. Test, save. That's it. Okay, now I am going to complete recording by pressing this button. It's going to take a few minutes, so I'm going to just fast forward, then I'll see you. Okay, here we go. Now we are going to adjust some settings before creating the video. Clevera is going to ask you some questions. What type of video is this and what language you want and everything. So let's say this is an how-to guide, and then choose English as a language. The tone could be casual. Voiceovers detail can be standard, voice engine, Google, and this voice is fine, I guess, but you can explore other voices as well. Welcome to the tutorial. Let's select this one. Okay, and here for additional context, you can just add something. It's optional, but let's say how to create an automation using Brevo. Okay, and create video. Okay, it's done. As you can see, the video is loaded into the Clevera editor, and this is your timeline at the bottom. And also on the right side, you see the voiceovers. They are all automatically generated by Clevera without me having to say a thing. And it's also voiced. So I'm going to just preview, just play a short part of the video, but later I'm going to add the complete version of this video to the end of this video so you can see for yourself.
In this guide, you will learn how to create an automated email workflow in Brevo, from setting up triggers to sending an email. Let's create a new automation, add the contact added to list trigger, and insert a short 2-minute delay. Let's switch to the Brevo Automations tab. Now I'll open Create an Automation to pick a template or start from scratch. I'll choose Create from Scratch so we can build the workflow step by step. I'll add the contact added to list trigger. Click the Select a List dropdown to pick a list. I'll select the specific list, so only contacts from that list trigger this automation. I'll save this trigger so the selected contact list is applied to the automation. Now I'm opening the Rules tab to add timing rules.
Okay, that turned out pretty good. I'm really happy with the result. And as you can see, all voiceovers and everything is just created automatically by Clevera. You can, of course, change the voiceover if you want. You can ask AI to rewrite part of those voiceovers. You can change the voice and everything. And finally, when you're happy with the result, you can just publish your video, export it to an MP4 format, or embed your video anywhere you like. And that's the beauty of Clevera. Magically create videos from any how-to guide article in a matter of minutes. And just imagine what you could do for your entire help center. You can just turn your entire help center into short video clips like this. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.